Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to align text bottom of text box in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first you have to open your InDesign software and we can see here we opened the document. Now we can see here a text box. Now you want to align the text box bottom of text box. Go to the window menu and select the type and table option. Choose the character. Now I am select the text box and we can see here the alignment option. Now I am select the align of the page option, then select the bottom. Otherwise you can select the align selection option and select the align bottom. Now you can see we align the bottom of text very easily. Here the more option of the alignment. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.